Meaning of druggy.
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 Druggy. Druggy is an informal term used to describe a person who is addicted to or regularly uses drugs, especially illegal ones. The effects of drug abuse can vary depending on the type and frequency of drug use, but common consequences include physical and mental health problems, financial difficulties, strained relationships, legal issues, and an increased risk of overdose or death. Seeking help from medical professionals and support groups can aid in overcoming drug addiction and preventing these negative outcomes.